Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to block the number which you don't want to call, or answer the call, or answer the message from this number in the Samsung A80. To this operation, go to your phone, just create some new calling here. Go to recent here. You're gonna be show the number and the contacts which you don't want to calling or have any contacts. So tap it. Press the icon, and here you have a block. Just block it. You won't receive any calls on the message, and your number is blocked. If you want to unblock here this number, just tap it one more time, go to E, and you have see the unblock option to unlock your number. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!